20 ways make money online. If you've been on the internet for more than a few days, you've likely seen at least one advertisement teaching you how to make thousands of dollars a day working in your underwear in the comfort of your own home. These ads are so ridiculously popular that if you're like most people, you start doubting whether it really is possible to make money online. The truth is, it is possible. It might be hard to make thousands of dollars a day from the get-go, but there are certainly ways you can make at least $50 a day working from home with ease. We are not saying it's easy to make $50, but if you figure out something you actually enjoy doing and that you are good at, your chances to make a living, or at least a supplementary decent income with it, are high. We have been working online full-time for over 5 years, and we have tried all of the methods presented here, so we can guarantee that it is possible to make money with each of them. In this course, we are going to share with you 20 different ways in which you can create real online income. We have tried to cover all types of methods for all different personality and skill types, and we are confident that you will be able to find at least a few that sound good to you, while some of them require more work than others. Please know that you can mix and match. For example, maybe you can do a few hours writing articles for $30 and then make up the extra $20 doing something else. The key is to have fun and do whatever you enjoy. In this course, we have given an overview of each idea and then fleshed them all out a little bit so you can get started on whatever you like immediately. It is awesome. I hope that you get a lot out of this course and that you take action and start making money.